Breaking news, my lovely people, no be smarty dey happen no. Another big protest does storm a National Assembly call for annulment of the presidential election. Now that presidential election now Asiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu, our very own brother, they take declare him as president-elect. Anyway, as we dey talk no be things don scatter. People don't go National Assembly say the election we declared Tinubu as president na fraud, say na lie. Say no, make they cancel am. Where June 12th, it won't be like wetin happen for June 12th. They wake up one night, they say no, that election na rubbish. Might be Abiola, and Abiola win that year, but they cancel am. Meanwhile, we don see people dey compare say this election na the same thing what happen so. Now the same thing, are we going to continue with the same thing? Now they don't go National Assembly say speak speak now, not remain quiet. The election wey they do for this country we know they not satisfy us. We are not happy, and we cannot hide, or you cannot hide our displeasure over what has happened. Anyway, my lovely people, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe, click on the notification button so you will get all our latest news. Breaking news: protesters storm National Assembly, call for annulment of presidential election. Some protesters have stormed the National Assembly in Abuja over the just concluded presidential election in Nigeria. The protesters carried placards with the inscription such as "Save Our Democracy," "INEC Corruption," "Politicians are killing our democracy," and "INEC killing the Nigerian democracy." Daily Post reports that some of the women were crying and lamenting, cursing. This is coming less than 24 hours after a protest erupted in the Unity Fountain on Tuesday in Abuja. Again, another group of persons have come out crying that our democracy must be safe and the presidential election must be annulled because the Senate, the INEC, are working against the very democracy that builds and makes up our nation and gives us the opportunity to be called a nation. INEC says what has happened is not acceptable, and they are standing against the people, and the people says no, we must come to the end of this. We reject the results so far. We reject all the things that have gone on so far, and we say due process was not followed. Like a thief in the night, INEC hurriedly said they've declared results in the night. They just declared and they just declare results in the night. INEC just declare results in the night. Okay, so this is what is happening. This is what is going on right now. Everybody can see that people are rising up, and saying this is not acceptable. So it is a matter of urgent attention, and every single person is watching. We will not allow the same thing to continue. Okay, we will not allow the same thing to keep us as a nation. So you see what is happening today, my people. You see what is going on. Okay, so our nation is in a state, and we need help. We need help. Somebody say we need help. We cannot continue, fold our arms, keep quiet, and allow the same thing to continue. People are genuinely suffering. Things are going on. The nation is going through a lot. Okay? The nation is going through a lot. So everybody and everything that you are seeing right now tells us that Nigerians, are in that state, in that position where we need, a change. We are tired of the status quo. We need some things to be different. We want things to be different. We don't want the same thing. Okay? So, this is very, very important. This is very, very important. And we all need to arise. So Nigerians, wake up. Wake up. It's the dawn of a new day. Okay? It's the dawn of a new day. Nobody, should allow the same thing to continue to dictate what happens to us, because as it stands, every time we turn a blind eye and we pretend and say all these things are not happening, we are deceiving ourselves. The issue here is that the country, we need a re-overhauling. We need change. The things that have been happening have been here for far too long, and we want this country, we want change. Okay, we want change. We want change. So this is what is happening right now. This is what is happening right now. Okay, so every single person, we've got opportunity. To ensure that things are done decently and in order. Okay, we must ensure things are done decently and in order, so that we can have opportunity to change the course of what is going on. Okay, we just need to begin to rise up. We need to begin to rise up. People who feel that it's not time, for things to change, are beginning to rise up and say, let the country remain the same way it is. No, but we're not going to allow that. The country, things must change. We must have opportunity for a brand new day. We must have opportunity to save the country, and to begin to enjoy, the opportunity of a new life. The issue here is that issues are very, very, are unbelievable. The things that have gone on for far too long, are affecting the nation. We've been in the hands of bad leadership that have affected us in no small way. Okay, bad leadership has affected us in no small way. So things must come to an end, so that we can have a better opportunity. Anyway, my lovely people, it is a matter of urgent attention, and every single person is watching to see how things can really improve. Okay, we just have to begin to work at it. Okay, so that things can change and we can have a better life as a people. We deserve it, don't we? We deserve it, don't we? So it is what it is. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can have all our latest news. God bless. Have a fantastic and a lovely day. From us is bye for now. Bye-bye.